telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to make, and with so much love to make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you all of my life. It's you, it's you, it's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you, it's you, maybe it's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life.
Why is it not working? O ano, kinilig ba kayo? Ay nako, nakakakilig naman po talaga yung mga classic love songs na yan, di ba? Would you agree? Tama, di ba? So, sure ako na yung mga hindi ko kasama yung hubby or wifey nila, ay nako, ngayon miss na miss nyo na sila.
Yes. At pag uwi nyo, mamaya, make sure to call all your loved ones back home and just tell them how much you miss and how much you love them, okay? Because the best feeling in the world is being in love. Yeah? And that's why our show is called Jadine in Love.
O, ayan. Bukod po sa inyo yung mga mahal naming TFC subscribers, of course, gusto rin po namin i-acknowledge lahat ng mga online supporters po namin na, ay nako, talaga naman pong walang sawang suporta sa
Yes,
amin.
thank you guys.
As in, parang hindi napapagod yung fingers nila, no? Sa kaka-check ng photos, ang updates and all, sa kaka-tweet, ganyan. Kaya naman, bawat movie, bawat endorsement, lahat po ng mga shows namin nagiging trending topics dahil po sa inyo lahat. So maraming salamat po.
Yes, we really love our social media followers dahil dyan naman nagsimula ang Jadine Love Team. So, this is thanks to you guys. Thank you.
Ayan, at dahil dyan, meron po tayong game.
Yay!
Yay! Ayan, ito po ang tinatawag na Kiss
Kiss
o
o
Sagot.
Sagot.
So, hindi ko na itatanong kung alam nyo kung paano laruin itong game kasi obvious na obvious naman po. Ayan, wala pa nga may kiss na kaagad na sumisigaw. Wait lang! Okay, anyway. Ayan, pumili po kami ng ilan sa mga questions galing po sa mga fans namin online. Pero hindi pa po namin alam kung ano tong mga questions ito. At meron po tayong randomizer para dyan, right? So, ready na
Let's
po
start the
kayo?
game. You guys ready? Alright, let's play the randomizer. Okay.
Wait lang!
Okay, question 1. Bernadine, what is the most romantic thing na ginawa sa'yo na James sa tour so far?
What is the most romantic thing na ginawa sa ni James?
Is that sagot?
Isa lang!
The game's kiss?
Isa lang!
Oh,
Pero,
sagot.
wait lang!
Isa lang yan. Guys, mamaya na yan. Dahan-dahan.
Ano maano para sa Miss Grabe naman kayo! Well, anyway, ang pinaka-romantic na ginawa ni James for me, I guess, on the top of my head, would be yung surprise picnic sa Ayan. As in, hindi ko alam. Akala ko, kasi ang explanation nila sa akin was, mag-pictures lang, gano'n, mag-OOTD, gano'n. Tapos maya-maya, tinawag nila ako, hey, let's go here, ganyan-ganyan, tapos naglalakad na kami. May nakita ako parang setup. It's not really sa grass, kasi bawal. Pero, yun, may nakaset up na mga chairs, magkakadikit, tapos, tapos yung mga favorite ko na cheese, yung mga cold cuts, meron doon. May orange juice na favorite ko. And then may flowers. Pero, the best talaga for me was the whole Paris trip. I mean, yun nga, ika nga yung most romantic city in the world. So, Grabe. As in.
Okay. Okay na yan? Next question!
Next question! For James, what are some new things you discovered about Nadine in this tour that made you fall in love? Pero even more. Yes, oh my God.
Hmm. But I feel like I know you so well already, so there's not much. There's nothing really to think of.
Ang daming violent reaction, ha? So yun, so sinagot ni James. Paano yung sinagot niya na? May next question pa naman eh. Okay, randomizer, next question please. For Nadine, so far, saan ka nakatanggap ng pinakamaraming I love yous kay James? Doha, Dubai, Paris, or here in London? This is a lot. I'll be honest, in Paris.
But of course, every day.
But of course, every day. Pero yung pinakamarami talaga Paris, parang... Siya in Paris.
Oh my.
Okay, next question please.
For James, sobrang lamig sa Paris at London. Show us kung paano mo i-hand.
Okay, hug or kiss?
Ha?
Reenactment or kiss? Bawal both!
Yan. Kiss, di ba?
Ha? Kiss pala yun.
But that was both.
Ah, oh.
Kiss at
both na daw
sagot.
yun. Both na daw yun.
Next question. Ha?
Di ba may pupuntahan ka?
Hmm?
May pupuntahan ka, di ba?
You want me to leave? Okay, fine. I'll go.
Oh.
I'll be back, guys.
May joke lang. Wait, wait. Wala na. Ayan. O, both yun, ha? Okay, so dahil iniwan niya ako, anong gagawin natin? Wala sisigaw ng kiss, ha? Wala akong kiss. Ayun, anyway, dahil mag-isa na lang ako dito, magsagot pa tayo ng isa pang question. Okay ba yun sa inyo? Alright, so randomizer, let's go! After this world tour, saan pang dream destination ni James? So hindi na ako sasagot kasi sinagot niya na. Anyway, yes, it's in Japan. Hopefully, we shall see you. But anyway, maraming salamat po ulit sa nagpadala ng mga questions online. Ayan. We hope you enjoyed. Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta po ng On the Wings of Love. Thank you po for making it your stress reliever every night. Sobrang nakaka-touch po na ang dami naming napapasaya, ang dami po naming napapangiti, napapakilig. Pagpasensyahan niyo na rin po kung medyo nakaka-insulate ng mga bandang huling episodes at medyo magulo yung magulo yung mga kaganapan. Actually, kahit ako na-stress din po ako sa kanya, so hindi po kayo nag-iisa. But anyway, yun po, maraming salamat po ulit. And sa lahat po ng patuloy na sumusuporta sa sa amin po ni James. Super thank you po. I mean, hindi ko po alam kung paano ko po kayo pasasalamatan. Like as in, for the updates, for all the sweet messages na natatanggap ko po. I read them and all of the comments that you post in my Instagram. I still read them and maraming salamat
What
po.
does JD stands for?
Love you guys. And we're really just happy na nandito po kami ngayon sa London. At
It's mostly Nadine.
you're all here. At napapasaya po namin kayo. I hope you're enjoying. Is everyone enjoying po ba? Ayan, so marami po kaming inihanda para sa inyong lahat. Meron pa po kaming mga special guests, of course. Kasama po namin si Ate Yang and si Kajer, and of course si Ate Tart who is here kanina hosting. Bakit may sumisigaw ng kiss?